How to buy crypto on LBank. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on how you can buy crypto on LBank. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your LBank application on your mobile device. Now, over here you can see the option of buy crypto. Tap on buy crypto. Now, from here you can select which crypto you want to buy. Now, type in the amount you want to buy and tap on the payment method you want to do. Select the payment method. After that, tap on buy and tap on confirm. Now you will be redirected to buy checkout client, and from here tap on your card number and enter your card details from here. If you want to further use your card, tap on save card for further use and tap on I have agreed the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now tap on next. Now you will soon receive a notification on you can proceed your payment and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.